Hi, it's George with GBC Kitchen and Bath, and today we're here in a small single-family home in Arlington, Virginia, right outside of, right off of Ballston area. And as you can see, we don't have too much space in here, but we were able to create something very functional and elegant and modern with what we had. Beforehand, the old wall was about where I am now. So we pushed back to make room for this whole wet area shower tub combo. And then we were able to turn the vanity around and fit a double sink in here as well. And I think the end product, it doesn't feel cramped in here at all, like most kind of bathrooms in Arlington tend to feel like. But I think we created something really great with a modern, elegant feel. One of the biggest challenges, obviously, was lack of space in this bathroom. So one of the issues were we wanted to fit a double sink and then a full shower with the tub. So that was a little hard to kind of figure out, but once we decided to put the tub and the shower in the same wet area, it made it a little bit easier so we could put the vanity against the full back wall on the other side. So the color scheme for this bathroom, we did a lot of greens and golds with a lot of accents of gray, and then kept a lot of clean white lines as well. So you can really see that in the shower where we have the gold fixtures with the white subway tile to create a little bit longer effect. We used a 4x12 white subway. And then for the accent, we picked out an emerald green glass tile. And I think it really makes everything pop and pull together. And so with the vanity, the space beforehand, we only had like a 24-inch vanity in here before. And we really wanted to have that double vanity because this bathroom was going to be used as the master bathroom, essentially. And so I think the vanity turned out great. We went again with the green and gold theme with the gray. So we've got the hunter green vanity cabinet with a gray quartz countertop and the rose gold fixtures and hardware. And then the client actually went and picked out these lights that tied everything in together as well and really pulled in a little bit of a rustic feel with it. But I think it goes great with the rustic, modern kind of elements playing against each other. A couple of the more functional elements we put in here is we installed a pocket door so we don't have wasted space with the door swing in the way and any of that. And then we also put in this towel warmer, which is really great and nice kind of thing to have, but serves as a great place to store all your towels and can fit a couple. Thanks for watching, that's it for today. But if you've got any project that you're looking for, I think this bathroom goes to show that no matter the size or the look that we're going for, we'll be able to help you out and get you that bathroom of your dreams. Thanks again.